Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see District Judge Preliminary Question Paper with answer dated on 7 December 2014. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question paper. Question number 1. On passing of the decree in appeal, dash. Answer is option number C. The decree from which appeal was preferred gets merged with the decree passed in the appeal. Question number 2. A dying declaration is admissible, dash. Answer is option number C. Both in civil and criminal proceeding. Question number 3. Musa under Mohammedan law means dash. Answer is option number C. An undivided share in the property, either movable or immovable. Question number 4. Whoever does anything with the intention of causing wrongful gain to one person or wrongful loss to another person is said to do that thing, dash. Answer is option number B. Dishonestly. Question number 5. A transfer made directly to an unborn as dash. Answer is option number A. Void. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the correct position in respect of section 6 of the Specific Relief Act? Answer is option number B. 1 and 2 are correct. Means 1. No appeal shall lie from any order or decree passed in any suit instituted under this section. Number 2. No review of any such order or decree be allowed. Question number 7. Which of the following statements are correct? Number 1. When consent to an agreement is caused by undue influence, the agreement is a contract voidable at the option of the party whose consent was so caused. Number 2. Where both the parties to an agreement are under a mistake as to the matter of fact essential to the agreement is void. Code. Answer is option number C. 1 and 2. Question number 8. Which of the following is true and correct? Number 1. Where one of the several persons jointly entitled to institute a suit or make an application for the execution of a decree is under any legal disability and a discharge can be given without the concurrence of such person, time will run against them all. Number 2. Where no such discharge can be given, time will not run as against any of them until one of them becomes capable of giving such discharge without the concurrence of the others or until the disability has ceased. Answer is option number D. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 9. Which of the following is true and correct? Number A. The dismissal of a suit for specific performance of a contract or part thereof shall bar the plaintiff's right to sue for compensation for the breach of such contract. Number B. The dismissal of a suit for specific performance of a contract or part thereof shall not bar the plaintiff's right to sue for any other relief to which he may be entitled by reason of such breach. Answer is option number B. Both A and B are true. Question number 10. Which of the following is true and correct? Number 1. Every person has a right subject to the restrictions contained in Section 99 of IPC to defend his own body and the body of any other person against any offense affecting human body. Second, no person has a right to defend the property, whether movable or immovable, of any other person against any act which is an offense falling under the definition of threat, robbery, mischief, or criminal trespass. Answer is option number C. One is true, but second is not true. Question number 11. Which of the following is true and correct? 1. The collector cannot, after the expiry of period of 6 weeks or 6 months, as the case may be under section 18, reference to Code of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, receive application raising objection to the award. So, number 2, the court may, if the applicant satisfies the court that he had sufficient cause for not preferring the application, raising objection to the award within a period of 6 weeks or 6 months, as the case may be, from the date of the collector's award, condone the delay in preferring such application to the collector. Answer is option number C. One is true and second is false. Question number 12. For enforcement of a decree granting mandatory injunction, the period of limitation is dash. Answer is option number B, 3 years. Question number 13. The concept of issue estoppel does imply. Answer is option number A. An estoppel due to the decision in a criminal case for different offense on same set of facts in the second case for another offense. Question number 14. The rule of Hedon's case is called. Answer is option number D, mischief rule. Question number 15. If a magistrate administers oath before recording the confession, the confessional statement is dash. Answer is option number C, bad in law and inadmissible in evidence. Question number 16. When an order capable of being executed under the provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure, as if it were a decree, is passed against the government, the execution shall not be issued on any such order unless it remains unsatisfied for the period of dash computed from the date of the order. Answer is option number D, 3 months. Question number 17. Given below are two statements labeled as assumptions. A and reason are in the content of two statements of the following is correct. Assertion A, it is necessary that conspirator must know all the details of the scheme or be a participant at every stage. Reason R, it is necessary that they should agree for design or object of the conspiracy. Answer is option number D. A is false but R is true. Question number 18. A agrees absolutely in writing to pay B rupees 1000 on 1st March 1873. The fact that at the same time an oral agreement was made that the money should not be paid till 31st March dash. Answer is option number B, cannot be proved. Question number 19. A judgment in rem can be impeached on the ground of dash. Answer is option number C. Option number D. All the above means number A. Lack of inherent jurisdiction. Number B. Fraud. Number C. Collusions. Question number 20. A confession heard by a person while it was being made to a police officer is dash. Answer is option number B. Inadmissible. Question number 21. If a court decreed a time-barred debt and the party aggrieved does not take appropriate steps to have that error corrected, dash. Answer is option number A. The decree will continue to be valid. Question number 22. X was convicted by an additional session judge for an offence under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. Later on, the appointment of the judge was quashed by the High Court on the ground that his appointment was in violation of the provision of Article 233 of the Constitution. Thereupon, a point was raised that the judgment rendered by the additional session judge was void and required to be set aside. The judgment is dash. Answer is option number A. Valid. Question number 23. A corporation shall be deemed to carry on business dash. Answer is option number C. Both A and B means number A. Number A. At its sole or principal office in India. Number B. In respect of any cause of action arising at any place where it has also a subordinate office at such place. Question number 24. A vested interest dash by the death of the transferee before he obtains possession. Answer is option number B. Is not defeated. Question number 25. In settlement, the disposition is to take effect dash. Answer is option number A. During the lifetime of the settler. Question number 26. When the plaintiff shows that the claim is barred by limitation, the plaintiff is to be dash. Answer is option number B. Rejected. Question number 27. A bequeath his property by will. The words of bequest were, I bequeath my only house to Samir Joshi or to Rishikesh Pandey. The testator dies after some days. Both of them survive the testator. The house of the testator shall go to dash. Answer is option number A. Samir Joshi only. Question number 28. No suit for recovery of possession under the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 shall be instituted by landlord against the tenant on the ground of non-payment of the standard rent or permitted increases due until the expiration of dash next after notice in writing of the demand of the standard rent or permitted increases has been sought upon the tenant. Answer is option number C. 90 days. Question number 29. If an order of attachment is made without complying with the provision of Order 38, Rule 5(1) of Civil Procedure Code, such attachment shall be dash. Answer is option number B. Void. Question number 30. A, B and C and D are members of a joint family. A is the father of B. C and D are the sons of B. The joint family possess co-personal property. A and B do not want to bring about separation in status of the joint family. C desires to have his share in the joint family property separated. Answer is option number A. C can seek partition of co-personal property. Question number 31. If a person whose statement is recorded by the police during investigation is called as a defense witness, his previous statement before the police dash. Answer is option number C. Cannot be used for any purpose. Question number 32. Where a mortgagee has obtained a decree for payment of money in satisfaction of a claim arising under the mortgage dash. Answer is option number B. He shall not be entitled to bring the mortgage property to sale otherwise than by instituting the suit for sale in enforcement of the mortgage. Question number 33. A and B are jointly tried for the murder of C. It is proved that A said B and I murdered C. The court may consider the effect of this confession is against dash. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Question number 34. A files a suit against B for compensation on account of defamation. Pending the suit, B dies. Answer is option number B. The right to sue does not survive. Question number 35. Public trust doctrine pertains to. Answer is option number C. Environmental law. Question number 36. For a suit for cancellation of sale deed, the court fee for the purposes of valuation of the suit and jurisdictional purpose shall be paid dash. Answer is option number A. On the value of the property made in the document of sale. Question number 37. A deposit a box of jewels with B as his agent. She alleged that the jewels were wrongfully obtained from him by A and claims them from B. Answer is option number B. B cannot institute an interpreter suit against A and C. Question number 38. If the investigation is not completed within 60 or 90 days, as the case may be, and the accused is in custody on the expiry of said period, but before filing of the charge sheet, the accused applies for bail. Before hearing on bail application, the charge sheet is filed. The accused is dash. Answer is option number B. Entitled to be released on bail. Question number 39. Where an immovable property is sold in execution of a decree, the sale of such property becomes absolute. Answer is option number A. When the court makes an order confirming the sale. Question number 40. A client says to B, a clerk of A's attorney, I have committed forgery and I wish your master to defend me. Answer is option number A. This communication is protected from disclosure. Question number 41. In case of a sale of a immovable property where the ownership of the property has passed to the buyer before payment of the whole of the purchase money dash. Answer is option number A. The seller is entitled to a charge upon the property in the hands of the buyer any transferee without consideration or any transferee with notice of the non-payment for the amount of the purchase money or any part thereof remaining unpaid from the date on which possession has been delivered. Question number 42. Probate shall be granted only dash. Answer is option number A. Option number A, to an executor appointed by the will. Question number 43. Where a contract comprises an affirmative agreement to do a certain act coupled with a negative agreement not to do certain act, but there are circumstances indicating the court is unable to compel specific performance of the affirmative agreement. In such circumstances, that answer is option number B or C, means number B. The court is not precluded from granting an injunction to perform the negative agreement. Number C. The court is precluded from granting an injunction to perform the negative agreement provided that the plaintiff has not failed to perform the contract so far as it is binding on him. Question number 44. Section 16C of the Specific Relief Act read thus: specific performance of a contract cannot be enforced in favor of a person who fails to aware and prove that he has performed or has always been ready and willing to perform the essential terms of the contract which are to be performed by him other than terms the performance of which has been prevented or waived by the dependent. For the purposes of this clause, where a contract involves the payment of money dash. Answer is option number C. It is not essential for the plaintiff to actually render to the defendant or to deposit in court any money except when so directed by the court. Question number 45. Any part of a statement recorded under section 161 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 used in the cross-examination may also be used in the re-examination of such witness for the purpose of, answer is option number C, explaining any matter referred to in his cross-examination. Question number 46. Question number 46. A filed a suit against the government of Maharashtra state. The state proposes to tender in evidence a deed of lease executed in favor of A. The deed is insufficiently not duly stamped. A object admission of lease deed in evidence on the ground of it being not duly stamped. Answer is option number B. The objection is not sustainable. Question number 47. Maxim. Actus curiae nemine gravabit means dash. Answer is option number A. An act of the court shall prejudice no one. Question number 48. An additional statement by the first informant after registering the FIR is dash. Answer is option number B. Is a statement recorded under section 161 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Question number 49. Article 22 of the Constitution of India provide that no person shall be dashed for the same offence more than once. Answer is option number C. Prosecuted and punished. Question number 50. An accused was arrested for the offence of murder and he was produced in the court. The magistrate remanded him to judicial custody. On the way to the sub-jail, the accused sustained injuries in a road accident. He was hospitalized for 16 days. Meanwhile, on the third day of his remand, police filed an application seeking custody of the accused. After the discharge of the accused from the hospital, the magistrate remanded the accused to police custody whether the order is legal. Answer is option number B. No magistrate has no authority to grant police custody after first 15 days of remand. Thank you friends. We will see in next video.